viewers! My name is Sabrina. So for today's video, we're gonna feature some items from Fluxo. So first up is we're gonna talk about water heaters. As you all know, alam ko na kahit naman na napakainit na nga ng weather dito sa Philippines and it's already summer, gustong-gusto pa rin natin or mas prefer natin na we still use water heaters. So I have here with me this safety water heater and we also have this Multipoint water heater. So what is the difference of the two? So kapag gagamit tayo ng safety water heater, isa lang or yung shower lang ang pwedeng supplyan ng ating heater. But for the Multipoint water heater, pwedeng dalawa. So we can have our water heater in showers and at the same time sa faucets as well. One more thing that I really like about this brand, that unlike other brands, gumagamit sila ng plastic and copper for the heating element, but for this one, stainless. Meaning, mas matagal ang lifespan ng ating mga water heaters from Fluxo. At hindi lang yan, 5 years ang warranty ng ating mga water heaters. And now, let's proceed sa ating mga hand dryers. Naku, napaka-importante rin kapag meron din tayong mga hand dryers. So first up is we have this hot and cold hand dryer in white. And we also have this auto hand dryer. So what is the main difference of these two? This one kasi, itong ating white hand dryer right over here, it has a lower wattage compared to ang ating auto hand dryer. And good news for everyone because these hand dryers, meron din siyang 1-year warranty. And now let's proceed to our last item from the brand Fluxo. So we have over here ay isang soap dispenser na automatic. So meaning may sensor lang siya, ilalagay mo yung hand mo and then voila, makikita mo na kagad right away yung soap sa mga palms mo. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? If you like all the products that I mentioned from Fluxo, let's not forget to follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page and visit allhome.com.ph, and that is our website. And let's also not forget to follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And kung gusto niyo naman ma-experience ulit ang personal shopping rather, just go to any AllHome branch near you.